Well, the outdoor feel is alive here in Snow Park. Everybody wants to go outside, get a little skiing in, get a little skating in. We like to take our friends with us. This is a very dramatic designer tree. And the first thing that you're going to notice is that we have our A-frame Chalet at the very top of the tree. Now that is lighted on the inside, is wooden. It has a nice wooden platform on it. And then we've got all of the little snow features on the outside. So a little bit of snow coming off the shingles, a little bit of snow on the trees. There is a snow lodge right next to it. It's a little bit larger than the Chalet, more squared off, but you can see it from 3 different sides. So the LED light on that one, you're going to be able to see from the front and then from the left and the right. They have a red set of skis in the front. These buildings are selling very, very well at all of our shows. These are very, very popular. And then the first thing you see when you look at this designer tree. However, as you keep looking throughout the designer tree, you're going to start to see some of the large, oversized pine cones with a little bit of white flocking on them. Now these are very big. I'm going to put my hand up here so you get a little bit of scale. It's at least the size of my hand. And so this is a large piece that you put in there, 2 pine cones on each of them. You can see it down here very well. Nice soft flocking on the tips of the pine cones themselves, and they really stick out from these different branches. The other thing that's sticking out are these different birch stems. And we brought in 3 different types of these birch stems. There's 76174, 76173, and 76172. Why? Because sometimes we want to have a little bit skinnier of a birch log that's sticking out here, or branch, I should call it a branch. And sometimes we're a medium, and then we have the larger one. They're all different lengths. You're going to want to get an assortment of those if you finish out your tree with that. And in this designer tree in particular, if we look at the way they're coming down through the branches, they're kind of matching and mimicking kind of like a tree outside of a tree. But when we look at the top, they're all shooting up through the top, and we have the red berries. So this is very well put together for our designers. I like the way that we have them shooting straight towards the sky, and then we have them kind of cascading down at the same time. After we get past those large elements, we have a few other large elements, which includes this toboggan right here. And so this toboggan is an ornament in and of itself. If you go to search for this, you're going to find the toboggan 86066. And then you're going to decide if you'd like to have a reindeer sitting on top of your toboggan, or a snowman, or a little birdie, or a set of little birdies. We're going to show you a few different ideas for that. These reindeer come super cute. This little guy is in gray. He's got a little gray sweater on him, and he's got little gray boots with a little bit of fur. And then the reindeer girl, she happens to have a nice cute little red dress, and she's got little red booties with a little bit of gray fur on them. Now the girl and the boy both are selling very well. Of course they are, and they are 87259, 87259. And then as we get into the smaller look here on the Christmas tree, we've got a lot of little friends that are doing a little bit of skiing, including a snowman, a reindeer, and Santa. He's doing a little bit of skiing. And then we have a skating bear. Look at him right here. He's doing a little bit of figure skating. And this bear is trending very hot right now. And he kind of blends in here. He's kind of brown. He's got the light colored scarf and hat. You may not have seen him with so many exciting things going on this tree. He's hiding, but this is a trending ornament right now. The skating bear, 2 assorted, and it's 87633. Make sure to look for that in the virtual showroom. The other set that is doing very, very well is a set of skis that comes out of this collection, and I wanted to make sure that you have that number, 76059. It's one of our best sellers. You're going to make sure to add that to your list for Snow Park.